This is an issue that's been building for a while now, Bill. It actually goes back to the Obama administration and something they had, which is called Operation Choke Point, where the government leaned on banks using this fuzzy idea of reputational risk to force them essentially to take away financial services to industries they don't like payday loans in particular, and basically tried to kill the industry through the regulatory state. And what we've seen in recent years then is this is accelerated into a cancel culture comes to banking. And various people have lost their bank accounts because they, as you said, were perceived as hate groups. And this really came to a head this fall when Donald Trump Jr. had to cancel a speech to a group in Missouri because the bank that provided the payment services cut him off and said, we're not going to provide banking services so that you can collect payments so that people could come see Donald Trump Jr. Speak. And what really concerns me about it, Bill, is the way in which not just do you need a bank account to live, right, to be able to pay bills, to be able to get a mortgage, to be anything else, but more and more we're seeing that this has become a leverage point, just like social media, but even more so because the entanglement with the regulatory state. This has become a leverage point to control political speech, and that's what we saw in Canada.